Hello students, today we will begin with a new chapter, chapter 6, simplification. In this we will learn about the BODMAS rule and how to apply the BODMAS rule. So what is simplification? First let us discuss what is the meaning of simplification. So an expression involving integers is simplified by carrying out certain operation in a particular order, which is known as BODMAS. Okay, so what is the meaning of BODMAS? In BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for OR, then we will do division or multiplication, D and M, it stands for division or multiplication, and A and S means for addition and subtraction. So here to solve any expression, any mathematical expression, we will perform, to simplify that, we will perform some operation like this, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and we will perform these in certain order, and this is the order given here. In which order we will solve, we will simplify that algebraic expression, that order is given here. First we will simplify bracket, then we will solve of, then we will solve division or multiplication, then we will solve addition or subtraction. And in case of bracket also, in bracket there are three type of bracket. This one, this is known as small bracket. Second, this one is curly bracket, and this is known as square bracket. So in bracket also we have order, and to remove the bracket we follow this order. First we will remove this bracket, first we will solve this bracket, small bracket, then curly bracket, and this, then the big bracket or square bracket. So now using these this BODMAS rule, now we will solve certain questions which I am going to discuss now. Now exercise 6, question number 1. Simplify the following. Question number 1. Here you see in the question 63 divided by minus 7 into minus 2. So how we will solve it? First we will solve the division. This one, division. So 63 when divided by minus 7. 63 divided by minus 7. So 7 9s are 63, and plus number, a positive number is divided by a negative number, then answer will be negative. You have learned already in integers, division of integers. When a positive number is divided by a negative number, the answer will be negative. And here 63 divided by 7, 7 9s are 63. 9 into minus 2. Now you will multiply 9 and 2, 9 2s are 18, and minus into minus means a negative number is multiplied with a negative, minus is multiplied with minus, it will come plus. So this is your answer, 18. So first answer is 18. Answer of first question is 18. Now second one, same way we will do. Question is 6 into minus 24 divided by minus 4. So here what you will solve first? First again you will solve this one, division. So 6 you will copy as it is, 6 into. Now minus 24 divided by minus 4. So 4 6 are 24. And since here it is a negative integer and this also is negative, both are negative, so answer will be plus. Negative is divided by a negative, then answer will be plus. So 4 6 are here, so what you will get? Plus 6. And now 6 into 6 will be 36. So answer is 36. Now the third question of your next question is 17 into minus 4 minus 3 into 11. 17 into minus 4 minus 3 into 11. So here according to the BODMAS rule, first we will solve the multiplication. This multiplication and this multiplication. Together in one step also you can solve. So 17 4s are 68. 68 and plus integer is multiplied with minus, so answer will be minus. Now again this minus you will copy as it is. Now this minus 3 into 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33, and a negative integer is multiplied with a positive integer, so answer will be negative. So these all the rules of this integers we are using here also. So you should be perfect in the rules of the integers. So here 11 3s are 33, plus and minus will be minus. Now minus 68. This minus, and when we will open this bracket here, the negative number we are written in bracket, and now when we are opening this bracket, it means what? This minus is multiplied with this minus. So minus into minus, this is minus into minus, and minus into minus will become plus. So it is plus 33. Now a positive integer and one is negative integer. When one integer is positive, another is negative, we subtract and put the sign of the greater integer. So which is greater in the numeric value. So here on subtraction we will get 35, and since the negative integer is bigger, so we will write here minus. So answer is minus 35. Now the next question, question number 4. Next question is 45 divided by minus 5 plus minus 60 divided by minus 10. So here in this expression you can see that 2 times division is there. So you can again solve in one line both the division. So here first you will divide 45 by minus 5. When you will divide 45 by minus 5, you know 5 nines are 45. So it will come 9 here. 5 nines are 45, and a positive integer is divided by negative integer. The answer will be minus 9. Now this plus sign you will copy as it is. Now this minus 60 divided by minus 10. So 10 6 are 60, and minus is divided by minus, means two negative integers are divided with each other, then the answer will be positive. Now minus 9 plus 6. So what will be the answer? Minus 9 plus 6. You will subtract here and you will put the sign of the greater integer. So it will be minus 3. So this is your answer. Now next question is question number 9. 37 minus in the square bracket 60 divided by, then curly bracket 27 minus 11 minus 6 minus 2 under this new bracket which I have missed to explain you. This is known as bar bracket. So when I was explaining you that brackets, order of the removing bracket, then I left this one. But first we remove this bracket. This is the bar bracket. So to order, what is the order to remove the bracket? First we remove this bar bracket, then we remove this small bracket, then we remove this curly, and then we remove this square bracket. So okay, this bar bracket we remove first. So in this question now, first we will remove this bar bracket. So the rest other things we will copy as it is. 37 minus 60 divided by curly bracket 27 minus 11 minus 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. Then we will put this bracket and this bracket. Then again rest all the things we will copy as it is. 60 divided by 27 minus, now we will solve this small bracket. So inside the small bracket 11 minus 4. So the value of 11 minus 4 will be 7. 7. Now this bracket is removed. Now we will put only curly bracket and this square bracket. Then 37 minus 60 divided by, now we will solve this curly bracket also. Now 27 minus 7. 27 minus 7 will be 20. And now this bracket also is removed. Now 37 minus 60 divided by 20. When 60 is divided by 20, 20 3s are 60. Now 37 minus 3. Now this bracket is also removed. 37 minus 3. 37 minus 3 will be 34. So your answer is 34. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now next question is question number 10. First one, 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 into 8 by 9. 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 15 into 8 by 9. Now these are the fractional number. With fractional number now you have to solve using that rules which we have discussed already. So in this first what we do, we will solve this division. And to solve the division with fraction, what we do, we change this division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. Means 4 by 5 At the place of division it will be into, and we will write the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal of 7 by 15 will be 15 by 7. Now into 8 by 9. Now you can solve it simply. You have learned already in fraction how to solve the multiplication in case of the fraction. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now nothing you can divide. So 4 eights are 32 and 7 threes are 21. So the mixed form you can write 21 ones are 1 whole 11 by 32. This is your answer. So what you are doing here, the main thing here is you are changing this division into multiplication and you are writing the reciprocal of this number. And then the other thing which you have learned in the multiplication of the fraction. We will divide the number which is divisible, and then numerator will multiply with numerator, denominator will multiply with denominator, and we will change it into mixed form. So this is the answer, 1 whole 11 by 21. 1 whole 11 by 20. Next question is 5 whole 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 into 1 by 2. So here first you will change this 5 whole 1 by 4 into improper fraction. So 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 into 1 by 2. So now division you will solve. So how to solve the division? We have learned in the previous question. We will change into reciprocal form. 21 by 4 into 7 by 3 into 1 by 2. So here now you will get 3 7s are 21 and 7 7s are 49, 4 2s are 8. 49 by 8. So you can change it into mixed form now. So it will come 8 6 are 48, 6 whole 1 by 8. So this is your answer. Now next question is question number 10th, 6th one. So 1 whole 4 by 5 minus 2 whole 3 by 4 of 8 by 11 plus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 10. So in this first step is what we will do, that mixed number we will change in improper form. So first step is change the mixed number into improper form. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4. It will be 9 by 5 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4 of 8 by 11 plus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 10. The rest all the things I have copied as it is. Only I have changed these two mixed form number into improper form. So now next step what we will do, we will solve this off. We will solve this off and rest all the thing we will copy as it is. So 9 by 5 minus 11 by 4 into 8 by 11 plus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 10. So when here you will solve this off portion, then 11 ones are 11 and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So you will get 9 by 5 minus 2 plus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 10. So now division. So 9 by 5 minus 2 plus 3 by 8 into 10 by 9. So next line you will get 9 by 5 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So you will get here 5 by 12. Now you can see here 9 by 5 minus 2 by 1 plus 5 by 12. It is an addition and subtraction of fraction. So you have learned this also in fraction lesson. So what you will do, you will take out the LCM of 5 and 12. So LCM of 5 and 12 will be 60. LCM of 5 and 12, that will be 60. So now you will make the fraction as a like fraction by making the denominator same. So for that you will multiply 5 with 12 and here also with 12. Here you will multiply with 60 and here you will multiply with 5. So to make the denominator same, make like fraction. 12 9s are 108, 12 5s are 60, minus 120 by 60 plus 25 by 60. Now you will take 60 common here and you will get here 108 minus 120 plus 25. Now positive number you add together, you will get 133 minus 120 by 60. And when you will subtract this 133 minus 120, you will get 13. 13 by 60. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Here you are using the rules which you have learned in fraction chapter. I hope by this time you have finished your chapter fraction, and in that you have learned all these things, how to add and subtract the fraction by making the denominator same. Now next question. Now question number 11, first one. 3 by 8 divided by, in the bracket, 1 whole 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. To solve this, first we will change, first step is we will change this mixed number into improper. 8 ones are 8 plus 7. 15 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Now first you will solve this bracket. So to solve this bracket, you will take the LCM of 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8. So here you will make the denominator same by multiplying this 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. LCM of 4 and 8. We have learned how to find out LCM also. So 4 and 8 will be 8. Now to make the denominator same, you will multiply. 8 is here already there. So you will change this only 4 as a 8. So you will multiply with 2. 4 into 2 and the numerator also with 2. So 3 by 8 divided by 15 by 8 minus 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Now when the denominator is same, you can subtract the numerator only. So what you will get here, 15 minus 6 will be 9. 9 by 8. Now this bracket is removed. Now you have to solve the division. So to solve the division, you will multiply with reciprocal. So 8 by 9. Change this division as multiplication and this number as its reciprocal. So now 8 is cancelled with 8. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Now next question. Question number 11, third one. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 11. In one bracket, small bracket it is given. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 11 multiplied with, in another bracket, 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 2 by 3. So first step, first only you change this mixed form into improper form. Rest all the things you copy as it is. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 11 into 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Now it is addition and subtraction of the fractional number. So to solve addition and subtraction of fractional number, we will make the denominator same or make the fraction as a like fraction. So first you will take out the LCM of 11 and 9. So what is the LCM of 11 and 9? LCM of 11 and 9 will be 99. So to make it 99, we will multiply here with 11. And to make this 99 with 9. So 4 11s are 44 divided by 99 minus 9 3s are 27 by 99 into here 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. So now to make the denominator same, here this will be multiplied with 3 and here this one with 4. So 11 3s are 33, 4 3s are 12 plus 11 4s are 44, 4 3s are 12. Now you can see here, So these all the fraction here in this bracket, they are like fraction, and in this bracket also they are like fraction. So now you can subtract this one. So 99, and this will be 44 minus 27 into here 12 and 33 plus 44. So 44 minus 27, it will be 70 upon 99 into here it is 77 upon 12. So now you will divide by 11. 11 sevens are and 11 nines are. 17 sevens are 190 and 12 nines are 108. So your answer is 119 by 108. You can change it into mixed form also. So 108 ones are 108 and 108 plus 11 191 whole 11 by 108. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now one more question, question number 12. Now question number 12, first one. The question is 2 whole 1 by 2 minus in bracket 13 by 4 divided by 3 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 whole 3 by 4. That's small bracket and then curly bracket. So now what you will do, first you change the mixed number into improper form. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Curly bracket close. Now 5 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divided by here the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. So to make the denominator common, you will multiply it here with 2. So it will be 14 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Bracket close. 5 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divided by, now you solve this. So here 4 you will take and 14 minus 7. Numerator you will multiply and subtract. 5 by 2 minus 13 by 4 divided by 7 by 4. 14 minus 7, 7 by 4. Now this bracket you can remove. So here now 5 by 2, the rest of all of the things you will copy as it is. Now division, so what we will do here, 13 by 4 into 4 by 7. This 4 and 4 cancel. So what is left? 5 by 2 minus 13 by 7. Again subtraction of the fraction. So for subtracting this, you will make the denominator same. So here you will multiply with 7 because the LCM of 7 and 2 will be 14. So to make it 14, 2 sevens are 14 and here 7 2s are 14. So 35 by 14 minus 26 by 14. So you will get 9 by 14. This is your answer. Next is question number 13, first one. Here is the question. 3 whole 1 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 in square bracket into curly bracket 2 minus 1 by 5. So first what we will solve, the rest all the things we will copy as it is, and first we will solve this small bracket and the other thing we will copy as it is. Divided by the 2 into curly bracket 2 minus here 2 minus 1 by 5. So it is 2 by 1 minus 1 by 5. So to solve this, we will make the denominator same. Then 3 whole 1 by 3, here we can write it 10 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 minus 5 2s are 10. 10 by 5 minus 1 by 5. 10 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 minus 10 minus 1, 9 by 5. Now 2 minus 9 by 5 in the curly bracket. This bracket is, small bracket is removed. Now only curly bracket. So now next, all the things you copy as it is. 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into, again it is 2 by 1, make the denominator same. So here 10 by 5 minus 9 by 5 inside the curly bracket. Now 10 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into, now this bracket is also removed, 10 minus 9, it will be 1 by 5 inside the square bracket. Now 10 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into 1 by 5, it will be 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now we will solve this off first. After solving all the bracket, we will solve off. So 10 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 by 5. So here we will get 10 ones are 10, 3 twos are 6. 10 by 6 plus 2 divided by 2 by 5. 10 by 6 plus 2 divided by 2 by 5. So here now solve the division. 10 by 6 plus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 cancel. You will get here, this also you can simplify. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So 5 by 3 plus here this 2 is cancels, only 5 is left. 5 by 1. So now again make the denominator same to add this. So we will get 5 by 3 plus 15 by 3. So now when the denominator is same, you will add the numerator, you will get 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means 3 6 are 18, 6 whole 2 by 3. This is your answer. So in this way, I have covered most of the questions here. Few questions are left which you can do for your practice as a homework. And now this chapter is over. Next term, we'll start with the geometry.